Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Philips Hue lights to a new bridge, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Philips Hue lights to a new bridge, begin by ensuring that both your old and new bridges are powered on. Open the Philips Hue app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the Settings tab within the app. Select Bridge from the available options. Choose your current bridge to access its settings. Look for the option to remove the bridge from the app. Confirm the removal of the old bridge. Once the old bridge is removed, proceed to add your new bridge. Make sure your new bridge is connected to the power and network. Tap on Add Bridge in the app. Follow the on-screen prompts to search for the new bridge. Once the app detects the new bridge, select it. You will be prompted to press the physical button on the new bridge. Press the button to establish a connection. Now, your app should display the new bridge as the active control center. To transfer your lights, you will need to reset each light individually. Turn off the power to a light, then turn it back on within 6 seconds. The light will flash to indicate it is in pairing mode. Return to the Philips Hue app. Tap on Add Light to search for the reset light. Once the app detects the light, select it to add it to your new bridge. Repeat the reset and addition process for each light you wish to transfer. Once all lights are added to the new bridge, you can customize your settings and create new scenes. Finally, review your entire setup to ensure everything is functioning as desired. And that completes the process of transferring your Philips Hue lights to a new bridge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.